Yo, Soul Squad, let's get deep. Secrets that your footsteps keep. Layer 3, coming alive, helping your digits to jive. 3 cool muscles in the place, adding flex and a little grace. Flexor hallucis brevis, adductor hallucis, what a pair. And flexor digi minima brevis, showing it cares. Plantar, layer 3, deep in the soul's embrace. Flexing and adducting at a steady pace. Flexor hallucis brevis for the big toes, bent so neat. Adductor hallucis pulls it in, can't be beat. Flexor digi minima brevis for the pinky's little flex. Lateral plantar nerves, solving all the specs. First, flexor hallucis brevis, FHB on the floor. From cuboid and lateral cuneiforms, it asks for more.
Sometimes a slip from tibialis posterior tendon explore.
2 bellies, 2 tendons to the great toe, they fly to proximal phalanx base. Beneath the sky, sesamoids often present. In those tendons they ride, flexes that great toe with the MTP with nothing to hide. Medial plantar nerve,
L5S1.
give it the zing, part of the left crew makes your anatomy knowledge sing. FHB, short and sweet, makes your big toe tap the beat. Plantar, layer 3, deep in the soul's embrace. Flexing and adducting at a steady pace. Flexor hallucis brevis for the big toes, bent so neat. Adductor hallucis pulls it in, can't be beat. Flexor digiti minima brevis for the pinky's little flex. Medial lateral plantar nerves, solving all the specs. Next, adductor hallucis with 2 heads it appears, ready to conquer all your anatomical fears. Oblique head from metatarsals 2, 3, and 4's base. Transverse head from plantar MTP ligaments finds its space. Both converge laterally to the great toe they run. Proximal phalanx's lateral side, their job is done. Adducts that hallux, brings it to the midline stage. Supports the transverse arch, turning a new page. Deep branch of lateral plantar nerve,
S2, S3.
its story is told, a muscle of power, more precious than gold.
Adductor hallucis, 2 heads are so grand. Pulls your big toe inwards and supports your foot's land.
Plantar, layer 3, deep in the soul's embrace. Flexing and adducting at a steady pace. Flexor hallucis brevis for the big toes, bent so neat. Adductor hallucis pulls it in, can't be beat. Flexor GTD minima brevis for the pinky's little flex. Medial lateral plantar nerves, solving all the specs. Last of this layer, flexor digiti minima brevis, FDMB for the win. From base of the 5th metatarsal, let the flex begin.
And sheath of fibularis longus adds to the spin.
To proximal phalanx of the 5th toe, lateral side it's bound. Flexies that little toe, best flexor around.
For the pinky, that is
Superficial branch of lateral plantar nerve,
S2, S3.
this taulier is told, this tiny toe flexor can't be beat.
FDMB for the pinky so small, gives it a little curl. Stare the name.
This 3rd layer is crucial, more than just toe play, helping maintain arches, come what may. Adductor hallucis with its transverse design keeps that 4-foot structure looking mighty fine. These deep muscles working in a complex ballet, giving your foot stability every single day. Layer 3 is conquered, the deep toe jam is through. Just one more layer of docks and this whole foot is new. To your brilliant minds, that is, keep that knowledge bright. You're rocking this anatomy with all of your might. Penultimate power.